So holy crap, the audio was bad in my previous videos. Bloody hell. So hopefully the audio is going to be a little bit better going forward, and with that, welcome back to the little series on how to get videos ranking in YouTube. So if you haven't seen parts 1 to 4, why don't you go and click here, or there's a link in the description, and go and have a look. So I'll show you exactly what to do before you even upload YouTube videos, and kind of how to get all your YouTube SEO ducks in a row so that you set yourself up for total YouTube domination. Kinda. So anyway, so what I want to go over with you today is basically 4 different things. Advanced settings, playlists, visibility, and then categories. So you might know this, you might not know this, but studies have shown that playlists are super important nowadays on YouTube. This is because YouTube cares about session times. So whenever you send somebody over to your video, you basically create a session within YouTube. And as I mentioned, the longer your sessions are, the more love you're going to basically get back from YouTube. So I'll link a video in the description below by Daryl Eves, who most of you guys already know, where he basically goes into a little bit more detail with regards to sessions and the importance of them. So let's have a look at this stuff. So after you've done all your titles, descriptions, your tags, you want to add your videos to playlists that are relevant to the content of your video. If you don't have any playlists, go and create one. So to do this, you simply go to your Creator Studio, Video Manager, and then click Playlists. From there, you can go and click New Playlist, or you can go and edit the ones that you already have. Also, what I would do is I would add at least 1 or 2 playlists in my description of the video I'm uploading. I do, however, go over this in a little bit more detail in my video about YouTube descriptions. So remember, the longer your viewer stays on YouTube, the better you will rank. Now in the past, people used to upload their videos, keep them as unlisted, buy views, send it to them, and then when the views started showing up, they would switch it over to public, and boom, they would start ranking. Now that is one way of gaming the system, and while it used to work back in 2017, I promise you, you will waste your time doing it in 2019. YouTube is more intelligent than ever, and as soon as you try and game the system, they will pick it up and you will get into trouble. So make sure that when you upload your video, you set the visibility to public from the start. There's no point in keeping it unlisted, unless of course you want to hide your content. I don't know. Now as for advanced settings, the only thing I would highly recommend you do here is allow comments. Always allow comments. Always. So YouTube has stated before that they want conversation going on videos. So why, you may ask? Well, like I've said before, they want people to stay on their platform for as long as possible. And then there are categories. Now this may seem pretty obvious to you, but you'd be surprised at how many people actually leave this out or just leave it at some default setting. So posting a video about food under something like film and animation could have a detrimental effect on your video's ranking. So make sure you choose the correct category after you uploaded your video. It's as simple as that. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you like this kind of stuff, if you want to follow the series along, why not subscribe? Oh, and a like would be cool as well. Just saying. Stay awesome.